First of all, what is stock market, Veda?
I know a basic of like the trading and investing.
Okay, what is trading and what is investing?
Investing is for like long-term purpose and trading is short-term. That is the difference, I think.
Sorry?
Trading is like short-term and investing is for long-term gain.
Okay. How we can make money in trading?
I think no, I have no idea.
Okay, Raghu, what is your view on trading and investing?
We need to identify a very good company where we can invest with a lower budget, and once it goes up, we should be able to sell it, and we should know the strategy, like when it will go up.
Okay.
Some little bit of profit. I'm not expecting a lot of money to come, but basically, like somehow we should be in a profitable.
Sorry?
Somehow we should be in a profitable way. I mean, I have seen so many Instagram images from different channels or somewhere, like they used to show a lot of images with so much of profit on day-to-day basis, with so much of hints that they provide or calls.
Okay. Okay.
I don't want to go in that gambling way. I should learn on myself.
Okay. Okay. But why people are preferring that kind of thing?
I mean, I feel like it is attractive. If they are showing every day 7,000, 5,000 rupees profit by investing just 10,000 rupees is something, then there should not be any poor in India itself. If that happens, if everyone can earn 7,000 a day.
Right. People prefers option trading. Do you have any idea on option trading?
Option is trading on indices.
Okay. Where we can make a lump sum of money.
Yeah, but for beginners, I think it is too risky because without any knowledge of stocks itself, then how can we do option trading?
Okay. But why people are keep entering in the option market? Why they are they know that is a trap, right? But why they are pushing themselves in the option trading?
Because in that, if like 50 points also, if it goes up, then we can make more profit because all the stocks underlining this one it is. So we can make a quick money there than in stocks.
Right. And also people are influenced by the social media ads and profit screenshots, right? So what actually the beginners are thinking that entering in the option market, we can make more money, we can make lump sum of money like that. People are thinking like that. But reality is making money in option market is a good window to make more money. But in the same way, the option market is completely risky if you are having no idea on market. If you have no idea on market, option market is a kind of trap, right?
Correct.
So people will always enter in the option market because I feel in a beginner point of view, those who are entering in the stock market will always think that it is what they think stock market as an ATM machine, right? Like placing the card and getting the money right in ATM. So like that, people are thinking that in share market, in stock market, when we invest something, we can make more money like that, right? So people they are simply getting influenced by the social media and ads. They'll simply invest in option trading, right? So first of all, we'll start right. So in stock market, I feel these three things we should not do. The first thing is without any technical ideas or concepts, right? should not enter, right? But people will enter only what they are having some 10,000 or 50,000 in hand without any technical ideas or concept. They will enter blindly, right? This is the first thing. Second thing is, if they are not making any money on their own technical idea, what people will do is they'll look for some calls or tips from the advisories, right?
Yes.
Do you know what is the calls or tips like that? Simply you'll be watching the market like this. You will get a text in your WhatsApp, like buy Dr. Reddy at 4942. Sell that Dr. Reddy at 4960. Stop loss is 4935. Like that, they'll be giving some data only, right? So by using the data, what people will do, what the beginner will do is they'll simply cut, copy, paste the content, and they will do what the advisors are saying, right? They even don't know why they are telling that, why they are telling to buy that stock, or why they are telling that stock to go for sell like that. They don't have any idea at all. Simply getting the data from the tips or advisories, they'll entering the market blindly, right? So what will happen then? What will happen is actually, if one advisor is not providing good calls, or one advisor gave a call which cost around some 5,000 or 10,000 rupees last now, what the beginner will do? Do you know anything? What the beginner will do is, to recover the loss, he will search for the another advisors.
Okay.
Yes.
Right? So if that second advisor is also not good, what he will do? He will
Look for someone else.
Search for someone, right? So as a beginner, right, if he is having some 1 lakh or 2 lakh now, by paying tips and advices, they lost what all the money they are having. What they will simply say outside is entering in the market is called a gambling. Stock market is a place where we can't make any money. Like that, people will try to influence in a bad way. This is the second type. What is the third type? Do you have any idea? When you are entering by your own idea, you have lost. The second thing, by getting the calls and tips by the fake advisories, you have lost. What is the third thing you will do?
Shadow trading also, same thing?
No. When you lost some 1 lakh now, what you will do? Will you exit? Will you get away from the market?
No.
What? Your ego will not allow you to quit. What you will do is, you will look for another option called account handling or cash handling, right? So simply what you will do is, if someone is saying that, madam, you don't worry, right? Put the money in your account and give your account to me, right? We will handle behalf of you like that, and we'll be providing some 6% or 7% per month. Now what you will do?
No, I don't think so. I will go for that.
Right, but people without any knowledge will take this third one, right? So in this third one, you don't need to put any effort at all, right? Simply you can sit and you can give the money to the person, right? And you can get some 6% or 8% like profit, right? In 1 month they can give profit. Another month they won't give any profit. They'll end up with losses also. So basically, from my experience, I'm in the market from 2016, 17, right? So it's been 6 years, right? So I know that these are all the 3 ways people will enter in the market, right? Because these three types will give you a quick money. Do you know what is mean by quick money?
Yes.
What is quick money?
You enter today and you want to learn everything and you want to make money today itself.
Today itself. Like that, everyone want to be rich within a day or within a week. Like that,
Yes.
right? So these are, if you are having a quick money process now, quick money process means what people will do is they will choose these 3 steps only, right? So I'll prefer in the first class, right? These are all the disclaimer, and this is the these 3 steps you should not do in the market, right? These 3 steps are completely 99.99% unsuccessful unsuccessful steps. But anyway, people will prefer these only because these 3 steps only, you don't need to put any effort and all, right? Simply by if you want a quick money now, then you will choose this, right? Hello, Veda, getting my points up? Raghu?
Yeah.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
So what are all the types in Indian market? Do you have any idea on it? What are the types of stock market? What are the types of trading?
Options trading.
Sorry?
Options trading.
Options, okay.
Equity.
What are the types of market is there?
Market.
NSE, BSE. What is it?
No, that is index.
NSE and BSE are
Index.
So basically, the market is of 3 types. One is equity. Second one is commodity.
Commodity.
Third
Forex.
one is currency. Right?
Okay.
Currency, forex, yeah.
Forex is a foreign exchange one. This one is I'll tell that, right? So equity is nothing but what? Related to company shares and the prices. If you are trading in any particular company, or if you are trying to invest in any particular company now, that is completely related to equity market. For example, can you mention any companies?
Tata.
Dr. Reddy,
Reliance.
like TCS, Tech Mahindra, Manappuram, is everything about Tata Motors, MRF, like that, right? So what is commodity?
Commodity is like
Gold, silver.
Related to goods and things, right? For example, gold, silver, oil, etc. Like that, right? So in India, people having idea on equity market, but not having much idea on commodity market, right? But for a beginner, this commodity market is is a best platform, or it is a best window to make whether is expecting some 500 to 800 rupees, right, daily.
Yes.
For that kind of process, for that kind of requirement, this commodity market will help you for sure, right?
Yeah.
I will explain. So this currency is nothing but related to USD INR, Euro INR, JB INR, like that, right? So these are all currency market. So first of all, I need to explain about commodity markets. The added advantage of commodity market is the market is open. Its opening time is 9 a.m. and it is closing at 11:30 p.m. Right? So, like you are going to your office goer, or like if you are free after 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. This commodity market will be the suitable market because it is available till 11:30 p.m. Right? So, whether from your opinion, from your point of view, you are not available from 9 to 3:30, right?
Yes.
Not available, it means you are not active in the. You are not supposed to be active, right?
Nah, I am available, but not like I can completely give time.
Oh, sorry.
I have time in between.
Sorry.
I have time in between. Like I can check market, or I can see.
In a way, what you should do the tasking, right? You have to do your job also, and you have to watch the market also, right?
Yes.
So if for that kind of people, this equity market is not suitable, right? Because what mostly people will lose in the market, right? Because of the reason what they are in the office, they can't see the a laptop, or they can't see their mobile phones, or they'll be sitting near their manager, right? So they are not very available to the market. But
Correct.
what they will do is they will hide the mobiles and hide the laptops and do trading. Okay.
Yes.
So in that kind of scenario, if they are in a position like 1,000 rupees lost, if manager is calling him, come on, we'll have a meeting now, what he will do?
That is a difficult situation then.
That is a difficult situation. And also, if manager planned a sudden meeting now, he have no time to at least exit or do log out his question, right? So I have seen many person, right, when they are in office, like they are supposed to they are force themselves to do trading in the office time. Almost 75 to 80% of people ended up with loss only, right? So it is not possible to do multitasking in stock market, right? So, and also, if you are completely available, Veda, think that manager is on leave, right? You are still available. You are 1,000 rupees lost.
Yes.
What you will do? Will you do your work or will you monitor the market?
Yeah, that is difficult. That time we cannot do anything. We have to, skip that day of trading.
What you will do?
We will try to recover at least that one loss and make it zero profit.
But you are having your job, right? You have to do work, right?
If it is 1K loss, it is okay, kind of. If it is more than that, it will be like mental tension that at least this 1K I have to recover tomorrow.
It's a kind of pressure, right, that you can't handle, right? When you are going to a sleep, right, at the late night, when you are going to a sleep or when you are into the bed, your mind will be will be always thinking about this loss only, right? So it builds some financial problem, and also it led to a family problem also. So, Veda, getting my points, why I'm sharing these things and all, these concepts and all, right? Because mostly traders will push themselves to this kind of scenario, right? Correct. So no one will tell you should enter the market today, you should trade today, like that. No one will tell you to do this, right? You will keep yourself and you will push yourself to this kind of scenario, right? This is what mostly people are doing, right? So what I will suggest you is, when you are available, you can trade in equity market, right? Or else, if you are not available, or if you are having some tight schedule now, you can switch to commodity market, right? Because this commodity market is open from 9 a.m. to 11:30 p.m. So after 5:30 or 6, right, it is a valuable time, right? A market will be more volatile. Do you know what is meant by volatile? Volatile means a movement.
Too much
right?
volume.
To and flow like that, right? So after 6 p.m., it is very easy to make some 500 rupees to 800 rupees easily, very, very easily, right? But what people will do is, they don't have any idea, or they are not ready to explore this commodity market. They'll force themselves to trade in equity market alone. That's the problem, right? So based on your requirement and based on your time, you should shift the market which suits you, right? And also commodity market is a good window to make some the passive income what you are looking for, right? That this commodity market will help you for sure. Am I right?
Okay.
Whether getting me point or you know this? Yes. You know this before?
No, I did not know this. This is like news to me.
Okay, Raghu. Raghu is there?
I'm there, Mohan.
Okay. So this is these are the things beginners when they are entering in the market, they don't have any idea what to enter, what to do. They just simply focus on profit, how to make profit in stock market. If they search in Google also, they will search like this only, how to make profit in stock market, like that. So when you are thinking of profit alone in the beginning stage, right, that would have end up with you in a dark side. right? So first of all, we need to plan what we have to do, what are the things in the market, what are the opportunities we can get from the market. Like that, we have to plan. For that planning, we need to understand what are all the types in the market, right, Veda?
Yes. But how different is this commodity market in from equity?
That we will discuss. Right, today we'll have some basic introduction. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Tomorrow onwards we can discuss commodity market and everything. Okay.
Hmm.
So equity market, what's the timing actually? From 9:15 a.m. to
9:15 to 3:30
3:30 p.m. Right. So what are the classifications of equities? How companies are classified into? The companies are basically classified into three types: large cap, mid cap,
small cap.
and then small cap. Right. What is meant by large cap?
The company with high net worth.
More than 1,000 CR is a large cap companies. A mid cap company is nothing but below 1,000 crores. Small cap companies are below 100 crore market capital, right? So these are the types of companies. Okay. So what is large and mid and small cap? Hello, Veda.
Yes.
What is large cap, mid cap, and small cap? Consider you are a beginner. If you are having some 1 lakh, 1 lakh in your 1 lakh, you are trying to invest in the stock market, right? In one hand, I'm giving Reliance or what? Some Airtel. In another option, I'll give you like Kanji Karpuram. Do you know what is Karpuram?
Karpur, which we use for puja.
Camphor, right? Camphor. Okay. You are having 1 lakh. Which one you choose, Veda?
Airtel. Airtel, first one.
Why? Why?
Because it is known. It is known to me.
It is a well-known company, right?
Yes.
So people will think that if we invest in Airtel, our money not end up with any loss like that, right?
Yeah, like a blue chip.
If I suggest Kanji Karpuram now, what people will think? What is this, Mohan? Why I have to invest in some kind of camphor company, right? Do you have any brain? Because Airtel is a well-known company that anywhere we are seeing Airtel, and A.R. Rahman have done the music for the Airtel. We prefer Airtel only like that. People will blindly enter, right? As a beginner point of view, people will blindly enter because of the brand name, and also people will think that this Airtel as a large cap company because he is having a high net worth capital, so it would not end up with any loss like that. And also you will think that your 1 lakh will be safe. Our 1 lakh will be in a safe run like that. People will think. But my question is, why people not prefer Kanji Karpuram?
Because of popular.
Why? Because of the popular, because of the name, because of the product, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
And also for the product, right? You'll think like that only.
Yes.
Right. So let me show you a previous or a past history. So this is Bharti Airtel, right?
Yeah.
what is the price on 2016? You can see 2012, 2016. What is the price? 257. What is the price now?
860.
860.
Today's price is 780.
Like this, okay. It may be like 846. It made a high, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So 220% a profit, right?
Correct.
Which means when you have invested, like for an example, if you would have invested 1 lakh now your portfolio will be like 3.2 lakhs, right?
Correct.
So, and also what is your opinion about this stock? The same thing, Mohan. Airtel is a good company. Airtel is a well-known company. Again, it is possible to what? Shoot up some 1,600 in near future. Like that, you'll be having some more projection about this stock, right? But in the same way, in 2016, the Kanji Karpuram. What is the stock price now? You can see 400 and what is the price?
Today's price is 480.
480 like that, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we will think as 500, right?
Okay.
Do you have
Yeah.
any clue what was the price on 2016 or 15, Veda? Do you have any idea?
2000
What it was? What it was?
Kanji Karpuram.
Yeah. Now it is trading at 527, right? It made a
Okay.
high around 1,400, right?
Huh.
Do you have any clue or do you have any thinking about this Kanji Karpuram 6 years or 7 years back in early 2016 or 17?
No.
So, can you give me a guess?
Like it started.
Any numbers? That may be any numbers.
240.
So let me show you. In 2016, right?
Oh my God. 17.
2000.
This is yes. Just
17 rupee. Yes. I just saw now.
By any chance
2015
did
was.
you invested in that, Mohan?
just 16 rupees.
Yeah, correct.
Oh my God.
See, what is the percentage return? If you would have invested some 1 lakh, it would be
8,762 percentage.
means 87 lakhs, right? 87 or 8.7 crore. Not
8.7 lakhs.
not 8.7 lakhs.
87 lakhs. Huh?
87 lakhs, right?
Oh my.
1 lakh rupees into.
By any chance did you
1 lakh.
invested, Mohan?
Huh?
By any chance did you invested on this?
So I have told you, right? 2016 or 17, I have started, right? My trading career, right? At that time, I was working in a sub-broking company. Okay, sub-broking company as a sub-broker at that time, 2017. So at that time, I know that the stock is trading at 40 rupees. My boss have told me, Mohan, kindly watch this stock, right? So it is the future. We can expect some 200 rupees or 300 rupees in near future, like that. He have told, right?
Okay.
Do you know what I replied?
No.
The same you have replied, right? Now, I thought that what he is saying, this Karpuram will boom, like 200 or 500, what he is blabbering, like that. Even I have felt the same. Do you know what is the reason for this?
No.
Is think that stock market is a place where only the big stocks will give you the money, like that, right?
Correct.
But that is not what reality. The reality is company's product and company's project will give you a profit, not depends on the company name. Do you have any questions on this? Veda or Raghu?
No.
No.
Please.
Veda,
Yeah.
what you are thinking?
No, I was just checking out this stock. How did it reach like in so
Right.
less years?
So,
2002?
so in 2016, if someone told you to buy this stock for 16 rupees now, in another hand, if they gave you Bharti Airtel, what you will choose?
Bharti Airtel.
What you would have chosen? In 2016 or 17, people will have choose Bharti Airtel only. But Airtel also hello Arpudam, you can unmute. Right. Veda, what is the point we have discussed? Right. 2016 or 17, if I told you to buy answer at that time.
Yeah, we should have not believed somebody saying that it will reach to this height, and we would still go for Bharti Airtel only because we never know means how it happened, and we didn't do the back testing or the fundamentals anything. If you knew all of that, then I think with knowledge, I think I would have chosen this Karpuram.
Okay. The thing is, Veda, right? In market, whatever it is predictable, you can make profit, right? In market, when you invest in unpredictable scenario, you would have end up with jackpot. So there is a complete difference between making profit and a jackpot, right? So if you have invested in Bharti Airtel, now what you can do? What you will be?
Profit.
You'll be
It
in
would
profit.
be a profit. Yeah, I would be in
Yeah.
profit. This is
But
jackpot, right?
this is jackpot, right? So you have to be always aware of news and you should be always thinking of these kind of stuffs. So
Okay.
these kind of stuffs only will make you to be little ahead of little ahead of other traders, right?
Okay.
So the simple example behind this, the simple reason for this stock is, right, from 2016 to 18 or 19, right, there was some globally there was some shortage of some kind of demand for synthetic camphor, right, which is used for dressing and it is used for cooking, like that, a camphor which is used, right? So this Kanchi, this Karpuram based company have gave that supplied that product, that synthetic camphor, right? So at that time the price took it up, and it now it is now made higher around 1358. Now the stock price is trading at 483, right? So don't think like that. So in 2020, what is the price?
2020.
127. 3 years back in same April.
Correct.
See? So here could have invested 1 lakh now. In another 1 year, like kind of 1 year, could have end up with some 9.7 lakhs.
Wow.
Right? So what I'm trying to say you is, don't go blind on the brand value, or don't go blind on the company's name, right? In market, right, if fundamentals and technicals are stronger, right, if company is getting any project now, any companies will boom. So you should have think that not only a company's name will give you a profit. A company without any brand value, but it is having some good product now, what will happen? This company will
give profit.
Whether not boring, like classes are boring?
No. I'm keeping up.
Okay. So in the same way, right, let me show you a few examples of this 1 year journey. A last 1 year journey, right? In Parliament, government have introduced some ethanol projects. What is ethanol?
Ethanol.
Crude oil.
So ethanol project is simply, right, government what they are trying is 80% use petrol, remaining 20% we can make a combination of ethanol to reduce what?
Pollution.
No, to reduce oil demand, right? So for that, for 80% of petrol, 20% ethanol, what 20% we can reduce oil demand throughout India, right? Throughout our country, right? So government have introduced this ethanol project, which is they have told about this project in a parliament, in a budget, right? Right. So government have give some subsidies for this product, right? Do you know where we can get ethanol?
Ethanol, this is a commodity, commodity, or it comes in equity?
Don't think about the market and all, right? Ethanol is a product, right?
Product.
Right.
Okay.
Where we can get ethanol naturally?
Alcohol.
Huh?
Don't know.
Alcohol.
Alcohol. Very good. Where we can get alcohol? In shop.
Huh?
In shop.
No, I think in laboratory.
By using ethanol only, we can get alcohol, right?
Yes.
By using alcohol, we don't get ethanol. How we can get ethanol naturally?
Naturally, okay.
By sugarcane.
Sugarcane, okay.
What? I've studied in chemistry.
Is a byproduct, okay.
10th chemistry. Fermentation process.
Okay.
Right. So, government needs ethanol or not for this project?
Yes.
Right. To get ethanol, what is the raw material?
Sugarcane.
Sugarcane. How government can get sugarcane?
From farmers.
From farmer. Why farmers should plant sugarcane? If they are getting more money now, what farmer will do? Instead of planting in 2 acres, if they are getting more money now, what they will do? They will plant in another 2 acres, right?
Yes.
Right. So for that, to encourage farmers, government what they have to do? They have to provide subsidy, right?
Subsidy, right?
Right. So subsidy in the sense what? If you are planting some paddy or paddy and all, if it is costing around, if that chemicals and fertilizer cost is around some 10,000 rupees now, for sugarcane, for a sugarcane, the chemicals and fertilizers are government is providing for some less subsidy for less price now. What people will do? They will start planting the sugarcane, right?
Yes.
Right. So if their government is providing subsidy, farmer will also get what? More
Profit.
profit, right? How? Because normally if they are getting a fertilizer for 100 rupees now, if government is giving some subsidy now, the cost of the fertilizer will come around from 100 to 50, right? So their production cost is what? Very less. If production cost is less, how about the profit?
Profit also goes up.
Profit also will shoot up. True or not?
Yes.
Right. So if nearby, if a nearby farmer is making some huge profit in sugarcane, what this farmer will do? What the another farmer will do next year?
By seeing his profit, he will also.
He will also start.
He will also start planting the sugarcane, right? So if sugarcane, what will happen? Sugarcane production will getting
Sugarcane
More
production.
ethanol.
right. Now what? After crushing the sugarcane only we can get the ethanol, right? So the production
sugar
gets increased. Wait, just let me give you like 2 minutes. If sugarcane production increased, where it will go?
Sugar industry.
Where it will go? Will you directly get this sugars and ethanols directly from the land?
Crushing machine.
Right. So where the sugar can will go to the sugar mills, right?
Yeah.
Sugar mills.
Right. So normally in another time sugar mills working time is like 8 hours. Like normally in normal days. Now production got increased, right? Now what will happen? The sugar mills will run 24 hours, right? Because of the production right?
Yeah.
Because of the input, what the sugar mills will get daily now, what they will do? They have to run the mill for 24 hours or not. So if the mill is running for 24 hours now, at the end of the month or at the end of the year, will they get a profit or will they get a good profit, a better profit?
Better profits.
Good profits or better profit, right? Okay. So is this a production? Is this a projection or just you are anticipating? Hello,
Yes.
This thing is a conviction or a anticipation. What is this actually?
Anticipation. Is it anticipation?
Raghu, what is your view? Is this anticipation or conviction?
Anticipation.
Why you are saying this as anticipation?
Because this will happen because of government
what is meant by conviction?
Conviction is sure to happen. Anticipation is like a predict. We are predicting this will happen, right?
Right. Is this a predict or is this a conviction? That is my question.
But correct. This will be a conviction.
Now you are shifting your anticipation into conviction.
Because in reading charts and we can all do that like anticipation, but this is sure to happen, like a sugar mill will run for 24 hours.
Simple. From Madiwala to, you are in Bangalore, right? What is the nearby area? From Madiwala to Koramangala, right? Right. I'm from Europe, Coimbatore, right? I'm thinking that from Madiwala to Koramangala it will take 10 minutes. Okay, this is anticipation or conviction?
Conviction.
Anticipation.
You are in Bangalore, right? You know that how long it will take from Madiwala to Koramangala?
Depending on traffic.
I'm saying 5 minutes or 1 hour or 2 hours like that, right? But you can say approximately the exact time or not?
Yes.
What is the time? It will be
10 minutes.
Just give me a data.
10 to 15 minutes.
10 to 15 minutes. But basically, I am from Coimbatore. I'm thinking that it will take 1 hour. Who is anticipating? Who is convicting? Hello, Veda, getting my point or not?
Yes, I'm getting your point.
I'm from Coimbatore, right? I don't know about Koramangala or I don't know anything about, no idea on Madiwala and all. What I can simply do, I can anticipate only.
Yes.
But being you are in Bangalore, whether you will anticipate or convict?
Conviction.
Correct.
Right. So this sugar mill will run for 24 hours. Is this the anticipation or a conviction?
Anticipation.
Why it is anticipation? You know that production getting increased because of the
Conviction.
farmers,
Mm.
right? Is this a conviction or anticipation?
But
Conviction.
something like can go wrong, or we cannot be 100% sure that it will run for 24 hours, or we can be.
No. What my simple question is, if this happen, right? If government is giving subsidies in a budget, right? Not kind of any statement and all. Government have told this idea, told this projection in a parliament, in a budget day. What it shows that?
Then it will happen for sure.
Right. So it clearly shows that sugarcane production will getting increased.
Right.
Right.
Yeah.
If sugarcane production get increased now, sugar mills will get what? Sugar mills will get more inputs, right?
Yes.
More inputs. If it's getting more input now, what you have to do? You have to run the entire day, right? If company is running entire day, it will make what? At the end of quarter or at the end of the year,
Good
it will
profit.
make good profit, right? So government have introduced this project in parliament, right? So what we have to do is we have to see sugar mills. See, let me show you few sugar stocks. See, last May it was trading at 43, right?
43.
Now it is trading at
114.
104.
Wow.
See, this is my my district company, Erode. Last December it was trading at 349. It made a high around
570.
570.
When was this announced, Mohan? Like this month, this year only?
2022 budget.
Okay.
See, what is the price on November?
156.
156. All the sugar mills have increased.
Whether you have a clear idea that government have not told that particular company is getting any project. What government have told?
They want
what government have told? It told a common information about ethanol only. But you have to connect ethanol to sugarcane to farmer to sugar mills.
Correct. That is like we have to make a puzzle.
Connecting the dots. It is
Connecting
not
the dots,
any rocket science and all.
Yeah, but still for the beginners, it looks like how is it farly related to each other? But
that you have to study, right?
Yeah, with knowledge only it comes, na. With
this is the simple concepts, right? So what I try to do is what I'm trying to explain is government not told about a single sugar company. What government have introduced? Government have introduced a common thing. A common subsidies towards sugarcane, right? So what will happen? The sugar-based companies will.
Sugar mills will definitely make profit.
But whether the government is giving any special indication on Uttam sugar or Ugar sugar or Erode Poni sugar, did government give any special attention?
No.
No. It is a common what? Common news. It is what? Completely supportive for the sugarcane industries, right? Then what will happen? Sugar mills like Uttam sugar, Ugar sugar, Ponni sugar. Let me show you another example.
These are the company names, no?
What?
Uttam Sugar is a company name.
So let me show you. This EAD Parry trading at 309 on May. everything is doubled. Getting my point, huh?
Yes.
Because
This all
of
comes
the
in commodity, right? This all comes in commodity.
petrol is a commodity, right? But Indian oil is what? Equity.
ONGC.
ONGC, Indian oil is what?
Equity.
Equity. How these equity companies are making?
Sorry, what?
How the equities are making profit? Companies are making profit by selling the commodity or by selling the product, right? So how these companies are making profit? How this sugar and Uttam Sugar are made profit? Because of the sugar, because of the ethanol project introduced by the government that boosted the farmers to grow to water to plant the sugar cans, right? What will happen? Automatically they increase the supply on sugar cane, right? So how the farmer will get profit? If they send the particular product of that sugar cane to the sugar mill only, they will get profit, right?
Correct.
By what the sugar mill will get? By crushing the sugar cane, they will get the raw material. By selling the raw material, what they will get? They will get the profit, right? So more number of inputs now, they will get what? More number of outputs. More number of outputs now, more number of sales. More number of sales now, what they will get compared to previous year?
More profit.
More profit. How they got a profit? Because of the subsidies and because of the projects introduced by the government.
So
right?
we should be keeping an eye on like what are the new projects introduced, and
you have to connect the dots where ethanol is coming. That you have to know. Right? So this is a common news for this sector. This is a sector-based news, not a company-based news. This is a sector-based news. So sugar mills are getting increased. What is the second layer of companies for sugars? Let me show you. You know, TNPL. In the meanwhile, TNPL what? Increased from 120 to
298.
275.
Okay.
Paper.
See, it is from 270. It is 450. It is also what? JK paper also increased. See this Malu paper from 1920, from 24 to
42. 46.
almost doubled, right?
Yeah.
Andhra sugar 295 to what?
490.
Why these paper companies are getting increased?
Because
Veda?
Yes.
Why? What is the reason behind this?
I think sugar byproduct is used in making papers also.
What is the byproduct?
I don't know.
sugar cane.
By crushing the sugar can, right? What you will get? The sugar waste, the sugar can waste, right?
Yes.
Waste.
So when more inputs are coming, more sugar can inputs are coming, what will get? More sugar can waste, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Right. So for paper manufacturing, what is the raw material required?
Paper.
Wood.
Wood. sugarcane waste is the raw material which is used for paper manufacturing.
Okay.
Right? So the sugarcane waste will be more supply, right?
Yes.
In the mill, there will be like tons and tons of sugarcane waste. What they will do? They want to get clear that stuffs, right?
Yeah.
So what they will offer is they will give that for paper industry for very cheaper price, because they need to what? They need to evacuate everything,
Correct.
because sugarcane loads are what? Coming day by day it is getting increased, outputs are getting increased, and waste also what? It is like tons and tons. They want to what? Clean the space, right? What they will do? Will they increase or will they bargain the price? Like 20 rupees, 100 rupees, like that. What they will do? They will please the sugarcane companies. Sorry, they will please the paper companies to take all these steps away from the company. Right?
Yeah.
So in the same way, paper company will get their raw material at a cheaper cost. What will happen? And their production cost will
Reduce.
Production cost will reduce.
okay. Will they offer for some 50 paisa or 1 rupees offer? Sir, my production cost getting increased, so we are planning to reduce the paper cost. Will they do like that?
No.
What they will do? They will simply sell it in a same price. So in the same way, if they are selling for the same price, what they will get?
Profit more.
Profit or extra profit?
More profit.
Extra.
That extra profit will will pull the investors to this stock. Right? So think that you are having 1 lakh in your pocket, right? So what you will do? Will you invest in profit making company or extra profit making company?
Extra profit.
But for that, what you have to know is about this project.
Correct.
If you are having idea on this project now, then you can easily connect the dot, and then you can make your profit into a what?
Profit. Jackpot.
Profit into profit.
Jackpot.
Profit into a jackpot. But will people think like that? What they will do?
No.
What they will do?
They will play like a safe. It's okay if we don't get extra profit also. We want to invest in something.
What? Hello?
Yes.
What they will think is, right? Subconsciously, what they will prepare themselves that only Reliance, HDFC, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, only what? They will think like that. What they will think? They are the good stocks in the stock market, like that people will think, right? So in stock market, the stocks will move based on the inputs, based on the projects, based on the products, what they are selling. That makes the company into a best company. Eda, Raghu?
Yes.
Still having confusion, or the session is getting clear?
No. It is clear. It is clear.
Boring, huh?
No.
No.
What, do you have any idea about this now?
I have no idea.
This is useful, right?
Yes. So does anyone publish this particular area generally in news or something?
The news are everywhere. You have to search for the news and you have to read the news.
Okay.
But I think this will help in fundamentals or like in technical. Is it a fundamental?
Now we are discussing the fundamentals, right? By using the technicals only, yes, Andhra pepper is a good stock. That's okay. But buying Andhra stock at 285 is a best price or 270 is a best price.
That is technical.
That is technical.
Okay.
Right? So you have to find out that Andhra pepper is a good company, like that. You have to find out in fundamentals.
First, we have to find out the stock.
But buying what is the right price to buy the stock is important, right? For that, you need to know the technicals, not only fundamentals. The fundamentals are simply whether the companies will be
Give
available
you
in
a
future
good
or not.
returns. Good
What?
returns, yeah.
Will be available in future or not, like that only. But
Yes.
at what price is the best price for the stock now? That we have to find out only in technical way. That we will discuss in in this course. And we are having 10 to 12 days, right? So that
Yes.
at the end of the day, you can, or at the end of the course, you can understand and you can draw the support and draw the lines, and you can independently analyze the stock. Don't worry about that. We are having 12 to 15 days of time. Right, Veda? Right, Raghu?
Yes.
Yes, yes,
Clear, huh?
yes.
What, satisfied with the session or
No, it is
Yeah.
good.
It's
no? Let me show you another example. Loan interest rate decreased. What will happen? What type of stocks will boom?
Real estate.
Why?
People will
What normally
buy house.
think in a common way, not any technical or not any deep, right? Having a plan to build a house, right? Now the interest rate is 10%. For example, 10% they are providing. What you will do? You will just think of what to do or don't, like that. You'll be having some oscillation. Suddenly, if the interest rate is reduced from 10 to 6% now, what you will do? In this time, will you think or you will start build your house?
Will execute to build the house.
Why?
Loan rates are reduced, and we are in a dilemma that should we do it or not.
Now the rates are decreased. So now the oscillations turn into execution process, right?
Correct.
Right. So in that time, what kind of stocks will boom?
Steel, iron,
Cement.
cement.
Cements. Tiles.
Okay, tiles.
PVC pipes.
Yes.
Cables.
Cables.
Electric items.
All the raw materials that are used in building a house.
Electricals, and then name. You can simply say all.
Taps. Tap.
Utensils.
Yeah, utensils.
Next one.
Furniture.
Paints.
Oh,
Paint.
Right. So government have never told about you invest this stock, you in electrical, you will invest paint, like that. What government actually introduced?
Loan rate. Interest rate.
Loan rate. But as the investor, you have to connect what for this home loans into
below list of companies.
You have to connect this dot. Getting my point, huh?
Yes.
Veda?
Yes.
But what people will do? They'll think this as a news. But this news, what will happen to these stocks, to these sectors?
They will make more profit.
It will help, or it will support this kind of sectors to boom, right?
Correct.
So when loan interest rate are increased, right? Something like you have invested in steels and cements, these kind of stocks previously. If government is increasing interest rate now, what will happen for this sectors?
It will go down.
First of all, sales will drop, right? If sales will drop, now company's profit will less. So by projecting this, whoever invested in this stock, what they will do? They simply
they'll start selling.
Exit start selling. What will happen? Then the stocks will be,
Less demand.
the stocks will fall down.
Yeah.
Right? But if you are not having any clue now, what you will simply think? Why it is going up? Last month it went up. Now it is coming down. We don't know why it is going or why it is coming down. Like that, you will be in what? In a blind view.
Correct.
But the thing is, you have to connect these stuffs to these stuffs. So only you can make more money. Hello?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Am I boring?
No. I'm thinking what, like, is this a real example? Like, home in loan interest rates are increased or decreased by government only?
Yes.
Yes, RBI.
RBI, right?
RBI meeting, RBI policy.
Yes, RBI policy.
That we will discuss in the classes. Don't worry. Huh?
Oh.
Okay, can you project the future? What are all the sectors can boom? Veda, you have to answer.
Based on?
No. You have to project. If I say the answer, what is the reason behind?
No. Project. So I should
From
give
your
my...
opinion, from your point of view, Mohan, I'm thinking that these are all the future demand, right? These are all the stocks can boom. Like that, you'll be having some future projection, right? What are all the projection and what are all the sectors is possible to boom?
Okay, so I need to check with the budget then.
Leave the budget, Veda, right? Think as a common man.
Okay, tech companies, like tech companies.
Okay, you have to see the reason also. Huh? Veda, what Indians are really having a problem? Last year, in our monthly budget, we have spent some 2,000 rupees for petrol, right? Now what we are doing? We are spending 4,000
EV.
for petrol, right? So what is the daily problem?
Like transportation.
Right.
So
What government is
EV, right.
Yeah. So you have to think in this way, Veda.
Yes.
Right. Okay. If EV is booming, what is the second sector? What is the subcategories that can boom? For EV, what we need? What actually EV needs?
Solar.
Solar. Veda?
Yes.
What actually EV needs?
Yeah, solar.
Solar. What is the
Electric.
purpose of solar?
Electric.
Okay. Consider if you are charging your EV car for another 150 kilometers, what do you need?
We need one more
Charge
charging center.
Charging station.
Charging stations.
You need power. And then try to connect few subcategories. What? Try to connect few subcategories. What EV actually needs? What EV actually needs?
Charging center is one thing.
Okay, that we have already written. Power. Batteries, right?
Battery.
Yeah.
What? Battery is what? Heart of the car, right?
Yes.
Right. So, petrol prices are getting increased. So, people what will do in another 5 years? So, in 2014 or 15, people are not having any view on EV, like 2 vehicles or 3 vehicles in an then and there. Now we can see some EV, right?
Yes.
Everywhere. Compared
Yes.
to 5 years. So what will be the future in next 5 years? People will normally think about the EV, right? So what are the EV based companies in India?
Ether, TV,
Airtel, Tata
Ether.
Motors,
Tata Motors, right?
like that, motor-based company. So you have to see that who is dominating the EV industry in India. That you should know, right? What are the power?
Tata.
Tata Power, Adani Power, like that, power-based company. What are the
And
batteries?
what about Indian Oil Corporation?
Yes. They are providing. I'm saying for an example.
Yeah.
ONGC, BP, HP. They are having the projection to build up a charging station everywhere.
Right.
Okay. Battery,
Amar Raja.
Amaron.
Li-
What are the other batteries?
Litmus.
Voltas,
Excite.
right? So my simple question: if EV is booming in India, whether Amaran alone will shoot up, or
No.
it is positive for the entire battery sector.
Entire battery.
So in the same way, there we have seen this Ponni sugar, Mugar sugar, Uttam sugar, right? That is a
Correct.
common news. That is a sector-based news, right? So in the
Correct.
same way, this battery is also what? Sector-based news or stock-based news?
Sector.
Sector based.
So the entire sector, what will happen?
Entire sector will boom.
Doing good.
Will do, right? But for that, we have to what? Project
Project the feature.
Correct.
So, but people will have a different opinion. Mohan, I know that EV will not be successful in India. I clearly know that. Anyway, if EV is coming or not, I don't know. But India needs what? Motors and cars and everything, right? So what they will, if they are not having any projection, what they will simply do is every car needs what? Either it may be EV or normal or petrol or diesel. Every car needs what?
Tires.
Tire.
Correct.
Lights, right? Body, right? So if EV comes or not, that doesn't matter, right? Anyway, these are all what? These tires, lights, and body and all will
Require.
what?
It is mandatory.
It is mandatory. So in this kind of company, you will get profit. If your projection went good, you'll end up with what?
More profit.
Jackpot. This is predictable.
Wow. Okay.
This is unpredictable, right?
Yeah.
People having different perception. Based on their perception, what? These tires, lights, and these companies also will get profit or not at the end of the.
They will make.
Certainly, they'll be in profit, right?
Correct.
But here,
It is a jackpot. They'll make more profits because they're
like
starting.
that. So you have to think in the same way that if EV is growing, you should not simply focus on EV alone. For EV, you need what? Charging station. For EV, you need what? Battery. For EV, like that, you have to connect every dot so that only you can survive in the stock market.
Okay.
Right? So just not about market is not about making money like 10,000 or 5,000, like what you are seeing in the screenshots or what you are seeing in this Instagram ads, right? That doesn't matter, right? But these kind of view in the market